In this video, we are going to go through the different ways to create a Finance Central application inside Motorcentral. You can create a Finance Central application through the following ways: through the Motorcentral quick link, by converting an existing opportunity into an application, by converting a new opportunity into an application, via the Motorcentral app quick link, by converting an opportunity inside the Motorcentral app, and via a Motorcentral sale. Let's start with creating a Finance Central application through the Motorcentral quick link. From the main Motorcentral screen, navigate to the Finance Central logo. Click on the grey arrow on the right hand side of the box, and then choose your application preference of dealer-led or customer-led. Enter the customer information to allow an application to be created. When the information is entered, select the OK button. You will then be redirected to the application form. If customer-led is selected, the box will be displayed to allow the link to be sent to the customer for completion. Next, we'll go over how to create a Finance Central application by converting an opportunity into an application. To convert a new opportunity into an application, you need to create the sale as per the normal process in Motorcentral. Ensure all insurances, extras and referral fees are included. To convert an existing opportunity, navigate to the opportunity funnel and search for the customer. Double-click on the opportunity to open it, and then click on the last activity in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Once a line is highlighted blue, select Convert To, then select the Finance Application option from the drop-down menu. Enter any extra products such as MBI, tow bars, tints, referral fees, etc. And a trade amount can also be added here if applicable. Once all the information is entered, navigate to the tab, and this is where gap, PPI and finance information can be added. If the customer has a deposit, enter it in the deposit on signing field. This is where the finance company, establishment fee and amount to finance can be added. Submit to Finance Central. Select Yes to confirm that the application will be submitted to Finance Central. And Motorcentral will now create a unique finance application for the customer. The sales summary screen will now display the Finance Central information. The Finance Central icon will allow the following functions. Once the application has been approved, click on Convert to Sale to create the sale agreement documents. Next, we'll go through how to create a Finance Central application on a new opportunity. Search for the vehicle and click once to highlight. Enter the customer's details as well as any extra products such as MBI, tow bars, tints, etc. A trade amount can also be added here if applicable. Once all information is entered, navigate to the tab. Gap, PPI and finance information can be added here. If the customer has a deposit, enter it in the deposit on signing field. The finance company, establishment fee and amount to finance can be added here. Once the finance information is entered, navigate to the Finance button on the menu bar. Select Submit to Finance Central. Motorcentral will now create a unique finance application for the customer. The sales summary will now include the Finance Central information. Again, if you click View, it will launch a window providing you with the ability to copy and paste the link and forward it to the customer. Once the application has been approved, click on Convert to Sale to create the sale agreement documents. Next, we'll go over how to create a Finance Central application through the Motorcentral app quick link. From within the Motorcentral app, click on the 9 dots on the bottom left-hand corner and select Finance Central and select Dealer Led. You'll now be asked to enter the customer's information to allow an application to be created. Once the information is entered, the application will be directed to the welcome screen to allow the application process to be completed. If customer led is selected, it will display a link to be sent to the customer for completion. Next, we'll go over how to create a Finance Central application via an opportunity in the Motorcentral app. A Finance Central application can be created through a vehicle, an opportunity, or a contact. You need to find the vehicle you want to create a Finance Central application for. Under the Vehicles tab, search for the vehicle and click on Add Activity. Select Finance Application and then add the customer to the activity and select Next. Enter the required information and then submit the application to Finance Central. To submit the application to Finance Central, you need to ensure that the slider bar is green and select Finish. You now have the option to select either dealer-led or customer-led. Once the application path has been selected, you'll be redirected to the application or have the option to send it to the customer. The option to share the application link with the customer will now pop up. If you require the customer to complete their part of the application, select Share Link. If the application link does not need to be sent to the customer, select Done. Once you select Share Link, you can share the application link via text or email. The application can also be opened directly into a web browser. This is the message that will be sent to the customer. Note that you can edit the target phone number or email address and can modify the message to suit your needs. If you want to share an existing finance application with the customer, this can be done at any time by going back into the activity, opportunity or contact, clicking on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and selecting Share Finance Application. To submit an application to Finance Central that has been saved but not submitted, select the Finance Application and Opportunities, click on the 3-dot menu in the top right hand corner and select Submit to Finance Central. Once submitted, you will then have the option to share the application with the customer. Next, we'll go over how to create a Finance Central application in a Motorcentral sale. Create the sale as per the normal process in Motorcentral. Ensure all insurances, extras and the Finance Central referral fee are added. On the Payment tab, ensure that the amount financed is entered. Once all information is added, navigate to the Finance button on the Sale menu. Motorcentral will now connect with Finance Central to create a unique finance application for the customer named on the VOSA. The finance summary on the payment screen will now include Finance Central information. Again, you can select View to launch a window providing you with the ability to copy and paste a link and forward it to the customer. Now we will go over how to remove an application from an opportunity or sale agreement inside Motorcentral. Navigate to the Finance traffic light button of the opportunity or sale agreement and select Withdraw from Finance Central. A confirmation box will be presented, prompting for a reason to be entered before clicking OK. Once you select OK, Finance Central will then be removed and the Motorcentral standard finance summary box will be shown. And those are the different ways that you can create Finance Central applications via Motorcentral. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.